standard operating procedure for the DirectDetect SARS CoV-2 detection kit, PCR fluorescence probe. Amplification reagents preparation. Take out the kit from refrigerator, throw gently and completely at room temperature. Take out the contents of the kit. Mix all contents separately by vortexing for 10 seconds. Then short spin for 2 seconds. Take out PCR Mix 1 and PCR Mix 2. Get a new sterile PCR tube and label at one end of the tube. Adjust the range of the 100 microliter range pipette to 32 microliter. Insert the tip and draw 32 microliter of a PCR Mix 1 into the PCR tube. Adjust the range of the 10 microliter range pipette to 3 microliter. Insert the tip and draw 3 microliter of a PCR Mix 2 into the PCR tube in sequence. Close the cap lightly. The treatment of novel coronavirus specimens should be carried out in an experimental environment conforming to the biosafety level. Specimen treatment. Swab sample should be thoroughly mixed by vortexing before pipette. Prepare labeled 1.5 ml sterile tube. Adjust the range of the 100 microliter range pipette to 15 microliter. Into the tip and draw 15 microliter of a swab sample into the 1.5 ml tube. Change a new tip. Draw 15 microliters of a respiratory sample buffer into the 1.5 milliliters tube. Mix by pipetting up and down 10 times. Specimen adding. Open the caps of the PCR tube which contains the PCR mix. Adjust the range of the 100 microliter range pipette to 15 microliter. Insert the tip. Draw 15 microliters of a negative control into the first PCR tube. Change a new tip. Draw 15 microliter of a specimen into the second PCR tube. Change a new tip. Draw 15 microliter of a positive control into the third PCR tube. Close the caps. Make sure the caps are tight. Short spin for 2 seconds. Put PCR tubes into the qPCR instrument. Set up and run.